sharing with you how I cook one of my favorite dish.
Amazing!
Thursday cooking, guys. Let's mix some ground meat, salt, pepper, oyster sauce, seasoning, and soya sauce. Prepare a portion of minced garlic and minced onion. Here comes our main ingredient for this dish. I already cut the long bean into bite-sized lengths. Add the oil in the pan. Saute onion and garlic and make sure that the aroma comes out before we add in our meat, seasoned meat. Make sure that you stir fry it until the color changes and it's not clumpy anymore before we add in our long beans. Yes, stir fry a little bit more, and since I wanted a little bit of a kick, I add one piece of chili. And that's it. Very quick and very easy dish to cook. Now, I'm plating it and I'm ready to enjoy my hearty lunch on a Thursday.